Hi student, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about pseudocode. So pseudocode is a simplified, informal way of describing the steps in an algorithm or program. Okay, so it uses a mix of natural language and programming language syntax to convey the logic of the code without worrying about specific syntax rules of a particular programming language. See, pseudocode is not a particular programming language. So it is just a description of a given problem. So we are taking just a piece of paper and analyzing the analyzation in order to solve the given task. So here we need not follow any strict syntax rules of the particular program. The main goal of a pseudocode is to allow humans to understand the algorithm or program structure easily. Characteristics of a pseudocode. So it's not written in any specific programming language. So there is no particular language for this. Uses plain language to describe the steps in an algorithm. So the analyzer or user or the programmer, so he can write the steps in order to solve the steps for a given problem in his own language, only for understanding purpose only, not for the execution purpose. So concentrates on the algorithm's flow and the logic, only concentrating on the algorithm flow and logic rather than the syntax. So there are no strict rules has to follow for designing the pseudocode. So example of a pseudocode. Here I would like to explain a pseudocode in by considering an example. So here I am taking two variables. So the two variables A and B, which are declared as an integers. Okay, I am assigning values to A and B. If A is greater than B, so it has to print A is greater than B. Else if A is less than B, then it has to print B is greater than A. So else both are equal. So then end it, right? Simple. I am taking two variables and declared as an integers and assigning the values for A and B. Simple. If A is greater than B, so printing A is greater than B. Else if A is less than B, then automatically B is greater than A. If above two conditions are failed, so then A equal to B only. So this is a pseudocode. Here I need not follow any strict rules or rules and regulations of the syntaxes. Okay. So in this example, so start and end represents the beginning and end of the pseudocode, and so declaration and initialization. So declaring the variables as integers and assigning the values to the integers, and if necessary, we are using some condition statements. Then after that, we are printing the results. So pseudocode is a way, just it's a way to outline your program before you start writing the actual C code, helping you to focus on the algorithm structure without worrying about syntax errors. So in one word, you can say that so pseudocode is it's not a language, so it doesn't follow any strict rules. Okay? So it is used only for understanding for the user about the program structure. Okay? Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.